If you really want to master Pipedrive and use it like a pro, you need to understand how all the core features work together. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can confidently manage your entire sales process. First, get familiar with the core structure: leads, deals, contacts, activities, and reports. These 5 areas are the foundation of Pipedrive. Build a clean pipeline with simple, clear stages so you can easily track every deal from start to finish. Next, focus on managing leads effectively. Only add qualified leads and keep your inbox organized so you can prioritize real opportunities. Each deal should have complete information, including value, contacts, notes, and activities. The more accurate your data, the better your results. Activities keep your workflow consistent. Schedule calls, meetings, and follow-ups so nothing slips through the cracks. Pipedrive automation helps you save time by handling repetitive tasks like follow-ups, notifications, and deal updates automatically. Connect your Gmail or email account so you can send, receive, and track emails directly inside Pipedrive. Reports help you understand what's working. Track revenue, win rates, and deal progress so you can improve your strategy over time. Use your data to improve constantly. Adjust your pipeline, refine your follow-ups, and focus on what actually brings results. If you're working with a team, make sure everyone stays aligned. Assign deals properly and keep communication clear inside Pipedrive, and that's how to master Pipedrive. So once you understand how everything works together, you'll be able to manage your sales process efficiently and grow your business faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.